Okay, second quickie cold start. We did the other one a couple days ago, but wasn't done always the way I like it. I want to show you ice cold. There you have a second cold start on the 95 cab.